Hey, what's up, guys? This is Monica from HeyGen. Today, we're excited to announce the rebranding of Movio as HeyGen, encompassing not just avatars, but the entire video generation experience, which reflects our commitment to a simple, easy way to create content. Thank you for joining us on this exciting new chapter. Stay tuned for more exciting updates from HeyGen. At this moment, I can't wait to share with you the exciting new features we've rolled out over the past few weeks. Here they are: new avatar page, new talking photo generation, text to image, AI matting, URL to video, screen recording, and multi-face swapping. Take a seat. We'll take you through these exciting updates now.
We've spruced up Avatar's interface and added Avatar template. Pick your favorite avatars, customize the view mode, face, or voice for them, then save as your avatar templates, which can be used in your videos directly. Creating video with your customized avatars has never been simpler.
Create even more personalized talking photos with our latest generative AI. In addition to gender and pose, choose your favorite style and define the appearance and outfit. In just a few seconds, a set of fun and brand new images will be generated. Come and create your perfect talking photo today.
Unleash your creativity with text to image. Select the aspect ratio, throw in your fun ideas, and let us work our magic to bring them to life.
Say goodbye to distracting backgrounds and hello to professional-looking images with our new AI matting feature. With just one click, it instantly removes the background of any image to create high-quality content. Moreover, you can easily remove the background of avatar light or talking photos with just one click to support even more flexible use cases of your videos.
Looking to quickly create marketing videos for your products? Try our URL to video feature. Simply enter your product link and get a promotional video with just one click. You can also fine-tune the template content even further, making it absolutely perfect. Creating marketing videos has never been easier.
Capture your screen effortlessly with screen recording. Just hit record, showcase your content, and create engaging videos in a snap. It's concise, user-friendly, and perfect for sharing your digital world with others.
Try out our new face swap feature. Upload images with multiple faces and swap the selected faces with ease. Our new face swap feature offers increased flexibility for your face swapping contents.
Lastly, we've also shipped some more tweaks, including faster talking photo video generation, optimized resource loading, and squashing some pesky bugs. We really hope you enjoy the latest update and that it inspires you to continue creating amazing videos. Welcome to the future of video creation.